if you peruse some of the studies of those who study the brain, you'll see what they speak of these days. It's very interesting. They say that the brain doesn't work in the way we think. It receives knowledge from outside, from something that is external, outside of us. You can read this from great renowned scientists who are very materialistic. They're not just floating in the clouds. I know from St. Petersburg, when I was back then, I was affiliated with the Institute of Brain Research, and what is it called? What is she called? Pechteriva. She was even at my wedding. Perhaps I even have pictures, photos from there. So she's now very well known. She tells everyone. She's the head of the institute. She said she speaks of it openly, and everyone say the same thing, that there's nothing in the brain. The brain is like your cell phone. It catches some wave and processes it, and also it sends back what you think, what needs to be uploaded, or you don't think it uploads by itself, but the brain has nothing in it, nothing to it. It receives its governance from an external source, and that's what all of the brain researchers say. You know, it's very simple. They simply cut off 90%, 99% of your brain, not you personally, God forbid, and it keeps working. So what's the problem? There are people who it's known to us from life, right? How could it be? Because that's how it is. Some parts of the brain can replace other parts of it, but in function, but nothing actually is done in the brain. It only processes data. So that's how we're built.